Hi, I'm Dr. Chonta Haynes, and this is your truth for the week. We talk about loss, and we are seriously in a state of a lot of loss and have been for the past few years. But as we talked in Matthew, the 5th chapter, about blessed are those that mourn, for they shall be comforted, we recognize that there is loss. So today, the truth about loss and how to rejoice. The first thing that we're going to do, and I should sum it up in 1, 2, 3, past, present, and future. So first, we're going to look at our past. Look at the past that person has brought to you. If it was a person that you lost, or a job that you lost, or bodily function that you lost, look at what it used to be in the past. Revel in those memories. Oh, I was the greatest basketball player. I wasn't really, but it could be you. Oh, I really enjoyed the smile or the hug that person gave me. Revel in those moments, those sayings that they had, those activities that they did, but also revel in the fact that God was there with you in the past. He was there doing many things for you, helping you through, providing that relationship. Secondly, you're going to look at the present. The present simply says that God is right here with you, even as you're experiencing loss, even as that void is there. Well, we can ask him to be Jehovah Shammah, be ever present in the situation. That's what we want him to do. And so don't forget the present. Ask him to intervene in your situation. Ask him to open your eyes to see what is still left for you and left for you to do. But then the third thing is you want to look at the future. The future is bright. God has a great plan for you, or you would not still be here. There's a great purpose that's still on the inside. As Miles Monroe would say, the greatest wealth is found in the graveyards, because there are many dreams that die. Don't allow your dream to die. Let God then give you the strength and the restoration and the push to continue to move forward. He says your latter is greater than your former. So we know greater things are yet to come. The best is yet to come. So this is your truth for the week, how you're going to find the truth about loss and how you're going to then rejoice. Has to do with your past. Go ahead and rejoice over that. Has to do with your present. Ask him for the strength that you need. And it also has to do with your future, because your future is bright. I'm Dr. Chonta Haynes with Heart Truth Ministries, helping you put feet to your faith so that you can walk victoriously. Have an absolutely fantastic rest of your week. Hi, thanks for listening and watching. And if you enjoyed what you've seen, make sure you subscribe, like, and share. And hit that notification button so you'll know the next time there's a new episode. Listen, as a result of my coaching program, my clients have experienced a calming of the emotional roller coaster. They have a compelling future, as well as the confidence and the know-how to achieve it. And they have clarity on the financial tools that they need in order to live life on their terms and save tens of thousands of dollars. I'm looking for women who are devastated by the double Ds, divorce or death, who want to gain confidence to live life on their terms with peace and financial security. My question is, who do you know? Have them go ahead and book a call with me so that we can get to that compelling future. My heart may be broke, but your bank account doesn't have to be. You can find us online at h2truth.org. At Heart Truth Ministries, we're helping believers live an abundant life based on God's Word, standing on His promises, walking out His principles, sharing with God's people, serving as unto the Lord.